Let's see the activities on your organization. We have a special feature, Updates. Here you have two sections, Important and Others. In the Important, you can see where you've been mentioned. It can be chat, tasks, comment, or pages. On the Other, you are seeing the general activities on the internal space and on the client portal. You can also filter them by clicking here. It can be by place, so the whole internal space or demo portal, and by user. The same goes for the client. On their portal, you can put here updates as well, and they will see the same, important where they've been mentioned, and other just a general activity on the portal.